Yes. This is the powdered sugar challenge. We just made it.
I got this.
Just a spoonful.
Like after I get it, there's gonna be like all this like white and sticky stuff all over my mouth. I'm like, God.
That's what she said. Alright, are you ready?
Oh,
No, wait. That's my floor, man. In the sink, in the sink. Dude, you lasted like 20 seconds. Drink the Kool-Aid. I made it for you. So that was Alex Winshaw's fail of the powdered sugar challenge. You're making me laugh.
awful.
Yeah. Gotta figure. So that's just what a spoonful of powdered sugar will do to you.